How to adjust Messenger video call camera settings. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to adjust your Messenger video call camera settings. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. For iOS users, the camera setting can be found within the Messenger app under your profile settings. But for Android users, you will need to adjust this through your phone settings. So for that, you have to open the settings app on your phone. Scroll down and navigate to apps. Now tap App Management or Manage Apps option. Now find and select Messenger option. Open it to access App Info section of Messenger. Scroll down. Select App Permissions. Under App Permission, ensure that the camera is set to allow only while using the app to enable video calls properly. If you are experiencing issue with your camera, make sure that the permissions are currently set. Additionally, updating the Messenger app can resolve many camera-related problems. To do this, exit from the Settings section and open Play Store on a device. Search for Messenger app. Now tap on Update button if available and update it to the latest version. It may take few time, you need to wait until that and your app will be up to date. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.